Welcome to CyberTheo, your go-to channel for creative home design and tech tutorials. In today's video, we're diving into the world of hidden spaces. Ever fantasized about building a secret room in your home? Well, now you can. We'll walk you through the steps to create a concealed room, covering everything from choosing the location to designing hidden doors and adding security features. Stick around if you're ready to add a touch of mystery and intrigue to your home. Now let's get started. Introduction to secret rooms. What is a secret room? Secret rooms are hidden spaces in your home, typically concealed behind walls, bookshelves, or hidden doors. These spaces can be used for various purposes, such as private offices, reading nooks, or safe rooms. Building a secret room adds an element of mystery and security to your home, while also increasing its functionality. Planning your secret room. Location selection. The first step in building a secret room is identifying a suitable space. Common locations include behind existing closets, underneath staircases, or even behind bookshelves. Make sure the space is structurally sound and can be converted without compromising the integrity of your home's architecture. Factors to consider. Space. Electrical wiring and plumbing. Accessibility. Ventilation and lighting needs. Design and layout. Once you have chosen the location, decide how the secret room will be concealed. Popular options include hidden doors disguised as bookshelves, mirrors, or panels in the wall. The layout will depend on the intended use of the room, such as a home office, storage area, or personal retreat. Creating a hidden door. Types of hidden doors. The door is the most crucial aspect of a secret room, as it needs to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. Several options exist for hidden doors. Bookshelf doors. These doors are disguised as bookshelves and can swing open or slide on rails. They provide both a functional bookshelf and a hidden entrance. Mirror or wall panel doors. A door concealed behind a large mirror or wall panel offers a sleek and simple design, perfect for modern homes. Sliding doors. Doors that slide into the wall or behind another surface are ideal for smaller spaces where swing-out doors are not practical. Hinges and mechanisms. Special hinges, such as piano hinges, or sliding door mechanisms, allow for smooth opening without giving away the door's location. Consider using soft-close hinges for added stealth. Building the room itself. Insulating and soundproofing. For privacy, soundproofing is essential, especially if the secret room will be used as an office or entertainment space. Use materials like acoustic panels, foam insulation, or even thick curtains to block out sound. Electrical work and ventilation. Ensure your hidden room has proper lighting and ventilation. It may be necessary to hire a professional to install wiring for outlets, lights, and air vents, especially if the room is completely enclosed. Interior design. Once the basic construction is complete, design the interior according to your needs. Use furniture that fits the space comfortably, and consider multifunctional pieces such as fold-out desks or Murphy beds if the room is small. Security features and uses. Adding security. A secret room can serve as a safe room or vault, so adding security features like a locking mechanism or even biometric access, e.g., fingerprint scanners, can enhance its functionality. Consider installing hidden surveillance cameras for additional security. Practical uses of secret rooms. Secret rooms can serve as more than just a fun feature. They can be used for safe storage for valuables, home office, reading or meditation space, hidden entertainment room. Thank you for watching this tutorial on building your own secret room. Whether you're looking to add some mystery or create a secure space, I hope this guide has inspired your next home project. If you try building your secret room, leave a comment below and share your experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and and subscribe to Cyber Theo for more creative home design and tech tips.